Are you ready to post your comic on Webtoon? Here are a few things to check. The very first being, do you have a large buffer? If writing a short series, consider finishing it all before you even post episode 1. If it's an ongoing series, we recommend you do some careful planning to figure out how long it takes to make an update, and build your buffer, that is finished episodes, before you launch. Always give yourself a little more time than you think you'll need because life happens and you may not be able to perfectly keep up your current pace. When you launch on Webtoon, it's best to release 3 episodes immediately. Why 3? Because your readers will get a prompt to subscribe to your series when they read beyond episode 1. After this initial launch, we'd suggest aiming to post updates once a week for steady growth, but that's just a suggestion and you can pick an upload schedule that works well for you. Now for the technical stuff. You should have a title for your series already picked out. You'll have to have a genre, and we recommend filling in the optional second genre as well. Write up a summary of 500 characters or less, try making it intriguing to catch the interest of your reader, but don't make reading the summary necessary for understanding the comic. Not everyone reads this. You may want to invest in a way to compress image files before you start uploading on Webtoon. We currently use Photoshop to compress our files. Webtoon has very limited file sizes that it can store. The size for your square thumbnail must be 180 by 180, but no more than 500 KB. Oh, you're going to need a series thumbnail and vertical thumbnail before you can even launch your comic. Every episode will need a thumbnail, though their size is only 160 by 151, so it's a lot easier to work with that 500 KB limit there. Once you have your comic drawn and cover image ready, click Publish and Create Series to start uploading.